Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to take your TradingView charts to the next level by seeing those all-important bid and ask price lines, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get bid and ask lines showing up on your TradingView price panel, making it so much easier to track what buyers and sellers are actually doing in real time. Let's dive in. Alright, first up, we're going to bring up the settings for your chart. To do this, just right-click anywhere on your TradingView chart. Don't feel rushed here, you won't mess anything up by poking around. After you right-click, look for the option labeled Settings in the little menu that pops up. Go ahead and click that. This is your main hub for customizing how your chart looks and behaves. Now, once you're inside the Settings menu, you'll see a bunch of different options along the side. We want to focus on one section in particular, the part called Scales and Lines. This is where TradingView lets you change what kind of info shows up along the price axis of your chart. Take a moment to find Scales and Lines and give it a click. Sometimes these menus look a bit cluttered if you're new to them, so don't worry, just look for those keywords. With Scales and Lines open, you'll see various toggle switches and options related to the lines that overlay your chart. What we're interested in are the entries for bid and ask. Now, in case these terms are new to you. The bid asterisk price is what buyers are currently willing to pay for an asset, while the asterisk price is what sellers are asking for. This is basically the real-time negotiation happening right in front of you, like at an auction. Seeing these lines on your chart lets you spot, at a glance, where the market's tug-of-war is taking place. You'll notice that next to bid and ask, there are options to show their value line or even both. If you check the value box, you'll see the raw price show up on your chart's price axis. If you check line, you'll get a horizontal line that visually tracks where the bid and ask are currently sitting. Personally, I like using both. The line helps me see shifts in real time, while the actual value gives me precision. But it's all up to your preference, so feel free to experiment and see what works best for your style. And here's a neat trick: you can even change the color of these lines. This can make things so much easier to read, especially if your chart's already filled with indicators. Just click on the little color box next to each option and pick something that stands out to you. Maybe red for ask and green for bid. That's pretty intuitive and hard to miss, but again, it's entirely customizable. Once you've made your selections, just click OK or Apply to lock in your changes. Now glance at your chart's price panel. You should see those ask and bid lines right there, clear as day. It's a small tweak, but believe me, it goes a long way in helping you interpret price action with greater confidence. If you're wondering why these lines are so useful, keeping an eye on the bid and ask lets you see, almost like X-ray vision, where traders are willing to transact. This is especially helpful for active traders or anyone who wants to time their entries and exits more smartly. For example, if the ask price suddenly drops closer to the bid, it could signal sellers getting anxious. It's like reading the mood of the market right off your chart. That's it, you're all set. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about TradingView or want to see more charting tips and tricks, drop me a comment down below. I read every single one and I'm happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized tutorials to boost your trading know-how. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.